Hello friends, my name is Dr. Vinay Singh. I am running for Assembly in California Assembly District 10. I have vision to make California great again, and I need your support to transform my vision into reality. To support my vision to make California great again, you may please visit my website at drsinghforassembly.com. You can go there and comment, contribute and support. I really want to hear from you. Also, even a donation of $1 from you will greatly support my campaign to make California great again. Today I am going to discuss the solution for climate change. This is my 10th video in the series. I have uploaded 9 videos on my YouTube channel Dr. Singh for Assembly. Out of 9 videos, 5 videos are on various issues such as corrupt democracy, failed education system, high inflation, crime and homelessness, and climate change. Last 4 videos are on solutions for issues such as corrupt democracy, failed education system, high inflation, and crime and homelessness. Here I am going to summarize those solutions for your information. The first one is solution for corrupt democracy. So first we have to understand what is corrupt democracy, what is the root cause for the corrupt democracy. So in corrupt democracy, what happens, you need huge amount of money to win an election, and that brings corrupt or rich people into the elected office who are involved in solving their own interest, and they don't care about the public issues, and therefore the democracy doesn't work as expected. Solution for corrupt democracy, we have to do 2 things. First one is make sure that none of the running candidate for election spends a single dime. That way talented people will come into the politics, they will run for the election, and government will be formed by talented people, and they will work for the public, or they will work for the people. And second thing we have to take care is that we have to make a policy for the zero tolerance for corruption, so that none of the candidate who win the election lands into corrupt practices to get involved and cheat the government, or to get commissions for the development work. The second solution is for failed education system. So in failed education system, parents are not taken care, and also dropouts are not taken care, and academically poor students are also not taken care, and altogether what happens is we get more and more dropouts, and they become unemployed, and therefore they land into crime or homelessness, and they become burden to government. So what is solution? So solution for failed education system is nothing but we have to take care of 3 things. One is we have to enforce the parental rights and counseling of parents, so that they give importance to education for their children. And second item we have to take care is that the academically poor students should be given more importance, so that they can be made proficient and they can compete with others. And third and last one is the care of dropout students. We have to develop a system where we can train and skill the dropouts, so that they can become the part of employment, part of the labor force, and they will not land into crime or homelessness. The third solution is on high inflation. In high inflation there will be bad economy, and due to that there will be unaffordability of paying utilities, food and gases and housing, also unemployment, and that will make people land into crime or homelessness. And root cause for this is the gas price is out of control, and also there will be supply less than demand. And solution for high inflation is very simple. We have to monitor the supply and demand ratio, and we have to make sure that supply is in the ratio of demand. And second one is we have to control the gas and energy price so that there will be no increase in cost of the end product. The fourth one is the solution for crime and homelessness. Actually, crime and homelessness are byproduct of high inflation and failed education system. In high inflation there will be bad economy and unemployment, also unaffordability, and people will land into crime and homelessness. And failed education system, there will be more and more dropouts, they are not taken care, and finally they will land into crime and homelessness. So there are 4 solutions for crime and homelessness. One is we have to control the inflation. Second one is we have to develop a good education system, and third one is we have to have a partnership housing, and fourth one is partnership hospitals. Partnership housing and hospital, they are outsourced to private industries, and they will take care of our homeless people or mentally ill people, and therefore there will be less burden to our government. Now the fifth solution is on climate change. So climate change, this topic I have divided into 3 sections. One is what is the issue behind climate change, second one is root cause or root causes, and third one is the solution. So what is the issue? So you know, the carbon dioxide, methane and nitrous oxide, they are called the greenhouse gases. Why they are called greenhouse gases? Because like greenhouse gases traps the energy, the same way what happens here, the earth atmosphere has the carbon dioxide, methane and nitrous oxide. So when sun lights come to earth and it is reflected in the evening or the night, so most of the gases, carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases, they trap the heat, and therefore the temperature of the atmosphere increases. So what will happen if there will be more and more or large amount of carbon emission or greenhouse gas emissions? So they will be in our atmosphere and they will trap more and more heat, and therefore there will be increase in temperature which can be realized by the people. So basically the issue is the emission of these gases, and these gases increases the temperature of atmosphere, and in every 100 years now 7 degree Fahrenheit temperature will increase based on the simulation we have today, and therefore in 1000 years about 70 to 80 degree increase will be in temperature, and there will be around I think 170 to 180 degree centigrade of temperature after 1000 years, and in that temperature human being will not survive and everyone will die. So we have to find a solution so that after 1000 years also we survive on the earth. So here is root cause. Now we discuss what is the root cause for this. So root cause for emission of gases are basically the greenhouse gases. If they are emitted in large amounts, so they are increasing the atmosphere temperature. So the root cause is the burning of fossil gas and coal. From there lot of carbon dioxide emission takes place, and there are other root causes like deforestation, clearing of forest because we need land for agriculture. So these forest absorbs the carbon dioxide, but when we clear the forest, there will be less absorption of carbon dioxide and more emission of carbon dioxide. And other items here play a great role in emission of carbon is development, industrialization, and high rate of resource consumption. So these 3 to 4 items, basically what they are doing is they are landing into consumption of resources of earth, and right now we are consuming the resource of earth 1.7 times the earth. It means the production is whatever we have, from that one whatever earth produces, the resources we use on the earth, or we are going to get the consumption of resources of the earth. It is at this time we are consuming more than earth resources 1.7 times. So if we are producing X amount of oxygen, for example, so right now we are consuming 1.7 times of the oxygen, so that is creating problem, and in future we will not have any resources, and that will cause people to die. So what is solution for this? So for burning of fossil gas and coal, that creates carbon dioxide and emission of carbon dioxide. So for the first root cause, we have to find the alternate resource for energy, and those resources can be wind, solar, nuclear, geothermal, hydroelectric, and hydrogen based fuel. And for 2 to 5, that deforestation, development, industrialization, and high rate of resource consumption, these can be emissions from these can be controlled if we can control the population. Right now we have 8 billion world population, and every 10 years it increases by 1 billion. So now we are consuming 1.7 times the earth resource, and in few hundred years we will consume 2 times of the earth resource, and we will go nowhere, but finally we will not exist on the earth. So if even want to make sure that we consume the earth resources are less than 100% of the earth resources, we have to control the crime, and we have to bring the 8 billion population to 4 billion, and for that we have to make a policy all together, including the world leaders, how to bring down the 8 billion to 4 billion, so we can have like 2 children per family, such kind of policies, or 1 child per family, so we can control the population. So finally, what is the solution for climate change? So we have 2 solutions for climate change. One is we have to think of alternate resources for energy. We have to stop using the fossil gas and coal, and second one, we have to bring a policy for population control. So please let me know what do you think about this video. You may please comment, contribute, share, and subscribe. Thank you.